right, so this is Coconut. This is my albino alligator. She's the cutest thing ever. She's telling you hi. Can you hear her? She says, hey. But as you can see, she's albino. So you can see that she's got all kinds of algae around her. So what I do is I'll just go in, give her a little bit of it. I'll use the big side. Give her a little bit of a bath and just scrub her. And look at her, she loves it. Get it right there, right on the side. Move it all around. I don't know another albino alligator that's, look at her feet hanging.